With just $300 per month, you can become a millionaire by investing in an S&P 500 index fund. Finance content creators on this app love making videos like that, but it's not entirely accurate. My name is Kenneth, and this channel is all about practical, realistic, easy to understand investing education. Now, I know that a video like this is going to piss off a lot of your favorite finance bros, but I don't care. I'm here to teach you, not appease them. Yes, you can become a millionaire by investing $300 per month into an S&P 500 index fund if you have 40 years until you plan on retiring, or more likely, you're 20 years old. What they're not going to show you, but I'm going to show you, is what that $300 looks like per month with less and less time until retirement. First up, we have the example that we were talking about in the beginning, $300 a month for 40 years with an average, that's the key word, average rate of return of around 10% annually. Invested $300 per month, you'll end up with $1.6 million. That's great, but you need 40 years to do that. If you start your investing journey when you are 30 years old and you have 30 years until you retire and you put in the same $300, $629,000. What if you start investing when you're 40? That same $300, by the time you retire, $219,000. I really hope you aren't starting your investing journey at age 50 with a plan of retiring by age 60 with only $300 to invest, because this is what you will have in that last 10 years, $61,000. So we've already seen the first example, $300 a month over 40 years. But what if you don't have 40 years? What if you only have 30? To end up with over $1 million in retirement, if you only have 30 years to invest, you're going to have to invest $600. Now, what if you're starting your investing journey at 40 years old with the goal of becoming a millionaire in 20 years? This is how much you're going to need to invest. After 20 years of investing in an S&P 500 index fund, you'll have $1 million if you invest $1,500 per month. Now, the worst case scenario is you haven't started investing and you are 50 years old and you want to retire when you're 60. The reason this is the worst case scenario, not only are you going to need a lot of money every month to invest, more money than probably anyone has, but you need everything to work out 100% in your favor, which is a lot less likely with a limited time frame. That's why investing is really best when you're starting very, very young. Let me show you what it looks like if you're 50, want to retire a millionaire by the time you're 60. You are going to have to put in $720,000 to end up with over $1.2 million in retirement. With everything going right, you're still going to have to invest $6,000 every month. Now, I love videos that encourage people who are in their teens or early 20s to start investing as soon as possible, because it means that you can retire even earlier. I cannot stand when finance content creators on this app make videos with bold statements that are not entirely accurate. So if you want to know how to invest with realistic investing education, tune out all the finance bros who make all kinds of misleading statements and follow the guy who should have 1 million followers, but is very grateful to have the $250,000 that I got.